Hello students, this is Aseem Goel from Heuristic Educare Batala. Today I am going to tell you the difference between advantages, disadvantages essay and when it contains outweigh word. The advantage, disadvantage essay can be asked in two ways. Suppose you have this statement in front of you. In some nations, criminal trials are shown on TV so that the general public could watch. It may contain two statements. The first one can be, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this development? And the same thing can be asked in a different way. Do you think advantages of this development outweigh its disadvantages? So now what is the difference between these two statements? Ideally, the paraphrasing will remain same, but there will be difference in the opinion. So this essay will take two-line introduction. Line 1 will contain paraphrasing of the given statement and line 2 will be the answer to the question asked. See, what is the paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is just convert the given words into new words. Change the words as many as you can. Shuffle them, change them, whatever you can do, just paraphrase it, but the meaning must remain same. I have done it like this. In some nations, criminal trials are shown on TV so that the general public could watch. Its paraphrasing starts with, it is true that, because this is true. So you can begin it by saying, it is true that court cases are open to the public in certain countries for the people to go through. So both these sentences are similar. They are just different words, but their meanings are entirely same. Now, if you are asked this question, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this development, you need to add this line. This practice has numerous merits as well as demerits. So this is your two-line introduction to this question. But the same question asked can be asked in this way. Do you think the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Outweigh. Now this outweigh word asks you what's more. You need to tell what is more, whether the advantages are more or the disadvantages are more. The paraphrasing will remain same. There will be no difference in the paraphrasing, but the opinion will change. And the opinion must clearly state what's more. While I agree, there are certain, if you want to say there are few advantages, you need to add advantages here. Of this tendency, I believe disadvantages are far greater. So this opinion states that this development has a few advantages, but its disadvantages are far greater. You can present it in another way. You can, if you want to say the disadvantages are few, you need to put disadvantages here, and if you want to say the advantages are far greater, then you can shuffle the order of these words. You can bring this advantages word here and the disadvantages is word here. This is the difference between these two questions. You need to be very careful whether the question has asked you outweigh or it has simply asked you advantages and disadvantages. If simply you are asked about the advantages and disadvantages of this development, you need to put its introduction like this. But if there is outweigh word in the statement, you need to present its introduction like this. Thank you.